Hello everybody, this is the Trading Champs and I am Dr. Sasha with you. Hope you're all doing wonderful and enjoying your weekend. I am here back with you for the next week analysis, and let's see what the expected moves could be there. Before we look into the expected moves, I wanted to discuss where did we end last week. So we were 1865 before we forecasted that it could be coming into this area and then maybe coming up higher to 0.618 level of the whole move to the top side, and it was explained right here. Let's have a quick look. It could be all the way to 41 right at the peak, and from anywhere in this area, if I am going to find some sort of buy setup, I'm going to take the continuation to the top side and then come down to the fifth level. That is 50% of the move, the big move that I explained earlier. So here we go. We actually explained the same thing, that it's going to come up and exact the same level, 78, 77 area, where it could be rejected and coming back down. And then this down level was exactly the level which was right here. Explained again that it could be coming down to this level, and then again we'll be looking for a buy setup. And then we talked about 1900, of course, which is a very important psychological level, 1899, 1900 level. 1900, 1899 is psychological number as well. So this is how we were anticipating the move to be, and above these we had few more levels and definitely at the bottom as well. So the whole week price actually retraced, came up, retraced a little bit more, 45-ish area, and now back to the top to 1900. This is the move for the last complete week. Let's have a look at Forex Factory for the important events for next week. Monday, February 21, we have US Bank holiday. Tuesday, we have flash manufacturing PMI and consumer confidence. Wednesday, nothing much on gold. Thursday, unemployment claims and GDP price index and the red folder, GDP. Friday, so later Thursday, we have crude oil inventories as well, and FOMC member would be speaking. For Friday, we have core PCE, core durable goods, and revised UOM consumer sentiments. So I am expecting more volatility on Thursday and Friday. For next week, the whole crux of the matter is this, the important factor, that a deceleration of tension could trigger a risk rally and cause gold to come down under heavy selling pressure. On the other hand, a prolonged threat of Russian invasion could provide another boost to gold. Now, this is the whole crux of the matter for next week, the main idea. And it could be both ways. It could be a heavy selling, or it could be another boost. Now let's have a look at the charts and see what we could be expecting. So this is the daily chart, and on the daily chart you can see that this was Thursday, and the Friday candle was trying to come down to 1887 level and rejected and closed above at 1897, the high of the candle, and the weekly high was 1902 area, which is closed much higher to this level, 1787 level, but a little bit lower to the previous high that we had here around 1916-15 area. So this is our 4-hour chart. Now looking at the 4-hour chart right now, 1900, 1902 level is kind of becoming a resistance for gold, and the support is formed at around 88 level. So on Monday, if price is unable to close above, let's say 1905-ish area, then we can be looking for a sell setup. I am mainly expecting a range in here, somewhere from here to, let's say, this level around here. And if it is going to be ranging in this area, I'm going to keep an eye from where we are going to be expecting a reversal. No close above 1805, we can expect it to come down a little bit lower. And on the low side, I see this important level, break of structure retest, and coming down deeper could be this area as well, 64-ish area. And then we have 55, 50 level, very important area. I don't see that price would be going lower than this level, but risk sells could be until 1835, but nothing below this that I see straight away at this point. It mainly depends on the Russia and Ukraine situation as well. If we see a meltdown, this is going to be a huge meltdown or the retracement. So anywhere we see rejection, we could be looking, because I after this huge push to the top side, I'm expecting some retracement now. And when we are going to retrace on gold, first level of interest for me would be this right here, and then second level I can be expecting something down to this side. Now, if, for example, price is rejecting any of these levels, I'm going to be looking for a buy setup to 20 and then see a reaction at 1920 level. If it is unable to cross above 1920 level, then we can again dump down, right? So maybe we can see price coming up, struggling, coming back down in this area, and then trying to reach higher and then dumping down further. And we see which level then it wants to come down to. Okay, these are the important levels that we could be looking at. So this is something that I'm expecting, but don't forget that we have news on Thursday and Friday. And by Thursday and Friday, if price is unable to cross above, I'm expecting a meltdown. And by Thursday and Friday, if price is still staying above to this level in here and unable to continue move to the downside. So sometimes what happens, price does not want to give any retracement, but consolidate at the same area for too long. So consolidation, and a push up, right? And then if it's going to push up, then we can expect a good push up, because it will be already grabbing a lot of liquidity in this area, and that will act as a fuel for a direct straight push to the top side. Again, even for this push up, we need to keep an eye on Russia and Ukraine situation. So next week, I'm going to be very cautious. I'm going to keep my stop loss handy, because you don't want to stay in a position and continue expecting one thing and another happens and you hurt yourself, hurt your account. That's very critical. So as high as 50 and 60 level, and as low somewhere in this area, I do not expect, but mainly I think price would be between 20 and to the bottom side 55. This could be the weekly range. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please trade very carefully. Do not risk more than 2% of your account for any one trade, and do not move your stop losses. Be very disciplined and keep trading. And if you need me for anything, my media links are in the description below. You can message me and I'll be very happy to help you as much as I can. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.